Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, as we have already performed an experiment, and we got the conclusion that the pot which is full with soil also has water, gets proper nutrition, and the seeds are grown into small saplings. So, in short, the first pot what we studied is not of use. The second pot, which is only filled with water, which is not of use, and the third pot which is filled with soil, and every day the soil is being watered, so which in turn give us conclusion that plants need all the things. As we human beings require all the proteins, similarly even plants need different proteins like climatic condition, resources available, soil, whether it's fertile, infertile, climate, rainfall. So all these factors are dependent on the to grow the crop or to grow the small sapling. All these necessary things are required. So as we discussed, olden days, ancient times, in the civilization, Harappan civilization was started, where earlier those days Stone Age man had no idea about it, but as the progress took place, as they moved further by observation, by imagination, they started growing crops. They started the occupation which was agriculture. Then hunting became the secondary type of occupation. They gave first priority to what? Agriculture. Understood? So as we discussed, food, crops, fruits, flowers are produced according to the type of this soil, depending upon them. So today we are going to study about the map of Maharashtra with different types and overall distribution of soil, how the soil has been distributed overall. Wherever you go, you will never find the soil quality, color same. Let us take the example of our school ground. You can find the soil is of yellow brown color because that area is a hilly region, mountainous region. Earlier there were no schools, buildings, nothing, only it was a forest area, mountainous areas, and those big rocks were cut down and made a plain area to build up houses, buildings, schools, etc. So if we want to see the best example is our school ground. You see that the soil is of yellow brown in color. Okay, so let us study about it today. So here is your map. You can refer textbook if you have, page 41 if the map is not clear to you. So as you see that there is an index. Next to the index we have different directions like north, south, east, west, and here is a distribution of soil with different shades and all. And why it happens? As at the beginning 4 factors are required: parent rock, correct, climate, biotic materials, time. So sometimes one rock give rise to different types of soil. Why? Because of weathering, because of the climate, correct. If the rainfall is regular, then there is a fast formation of soil. If it is low, then there is less rainfall, the climatic condition is not that good, then the formation is very slow. So depending upon the climatic condition, resources whichever available, that gives rise to formation of soil. So let us see different types of soil. There's coarse soil, black soil which is also called as rigor soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil, and yellow brown which is in hilly regions. Now here are a few questions which I am going to ask you. You can also refer your page 42 for your questions. You will check or you will see the map, check the index, and you are going to answer me. I understand I am not going to hear your answers. Definitely it's not possible me to hear the answers, but at least you can give a try. If it is wrong, no problem, but we will give a try to find out the answers. Even I'll help you how to find out about this answers. So let's begin with the first question. Which soil occupies most of the area in Maharashtra? Now which is a soil you see that it has almost occupied Maharashtra? Now you can check your index or you can check your textbook if the picture is not clear to you on the screen, page 41 of your textbook. You can see that black soil is more in number in Maharashtra, which occupies place in Maharashtra. So you can write it next to that answer question with pencil or pen, whatever you want. That is black soil or a rigor soil. Next question. In which areas are laterite soil found? Now check your index. Laterite soil. See the shade. So laterite soils are found in where? Coastal belt of Konkan areas, which is towards west. Check your direction, which is next to your index. Check the direction, north, south, east, west. West में जहाँ पे आपको पानी दिख रहा है, Arabian Sea, where you can see the Arabian Sea, that area is occupied with the laterite soil. That is towards west of Sahyadris. So you can write Konkan belt of that is coastal belt of Konkan, or you only write it west of Sahyadris. That will be better. And some part is also in east of Vidarbha. You can see next to Chhattisgarh where it is written on the top. Towards your right hand side, Telangana के पास, वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत laterite soil you can see. The reason to do this map reading is important, that you should know how to read the map. Although we have done it standard 5th, but as you go higher and higher classes, map reading is an important part in geography. I understand you might find it difficult because we are not doing it face to face, but I hope what I am doing is clear to you and what I am telling it is understood by you. Let's come to the next question, which is third one. Which soil is found in the river valley of Maharashtra? Now as we see towards Maharashtra, it is again more in number black soil, which is rigor soil found in valley of Maharashtra, because most of this soil, that is black soil, is occupied in Maharashtra. Hardly you can see coarse soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil, yellow brown, that is most probably in hilly region. So most in number is black soil. Which soil is found in the parts of Sahyadri ranges? Now as I discussed, Sahyadri ranges means mountainous areas, hilly regions. Definitely which type of soil you are going to find? That is yellow brown soil. You can see the shade which is shown, yellow brown. That is Sahyadri ranges. We see this type of soil, that is yellow brown. And the last question is, in which region is alluvial soil found? So see where is that pink shaded part, you see it's only small area having this type of soil, that is towards Konkan area. That means where the water river side. Now I'll explain you what is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil means the soil which is left out by the rivers. जो मिट्टी रह चुकी है with the flow, some of the soil is been left out, and plus the earthy soil, that is the earth soil, it gets mixed up and it form a alluvial soil. So this soil is only at the small areas which is covered towards Konkan areas. So in short, it is like majority it's type Konkan areas, and it is very flow is very great speed. So hardly some of the soil is been left out over there. Okay. So normally Panvel, Uran, coast, that area you will see this type of soil. Okay. Now there are different types. That is what we studied. Major types of soils. That will get information in detail in the next lecture. For now, you can write down this map reading questions in your notebook. Okay. And same questions will be assigned you for the assignment. So if you don't get the answers, you can see this video and you will get the answers. So this question answers which are on page 42, you are going to write down in your notebook. Okay. So these are the state soil into 5 types of, that is what we studied just now in the map, types of soils. We will study why this type of soil occurs in particular area. So till then, God bless you. Have a nice day.